In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find DocuSign documents. We'll walk through where to go, how to filter by status, and a few simple ways to zero in on the envelopes you need, all within the DocuSign Web App. Start by opening DocuSign and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your home area. From here, head straight to the Agreements section. This is the main hub for all your envelopes, and it's where you'll manage anything you've sent or received. If you used to look for a Manage tab, Agreements is the updated name, and it now holds everything you expect to see. At the top of Agreements, open the filters that are highlighted on the page. This is where you can narrow the list to exactly what you're looking for. You'll see options to filter by status. Select Completed to focus on envelopes that are fully signed and finalized. If you want a broader view first, you can also include other statuses like Declined, In Progress, and Voided to understand where different envelopes stand. Declined shows items someone refused to sign. In Progress highlights envelopes still moving through the signing workflow, and Voided captures those that were canceled. When your goal is specifically to find signed documents, make sure Completed is selected. Then apply your filters to update the list. You'll immediately see only the envelopes that match your selection, which makes it much faster to locate the exact item you need. From there, use the highlighted controls at the top of the list to refine further. If your list is long, the search field is handy for typing part of a document title, a recipient name, or an envelope ID. It's an easy way to jump straight to a specific record without scrolling. If you want to compare different groups, switch the status filter from Completed to In Progress to review what's still pending, then flip back to Completed once you're done. You can also click the status column header to sort your results, bringing similar items together. Sorting helps you group all completed envelopes at the top or bottom, making quick scans more efficient. That's the whole flow. Open DocuSign, go to Agreements, use the highlighted filter options, select the statuses you need, especially completed when you want signed files, and apply. Then refine using the on-screen controls, switch statuses as needed, and sort by the status column to keep everything organized. This approach keeps your inbox tidy and makes finding any DocuSign document fast and reliable.